So today I am talking on such a topic that is really a major reason for India being still a developing country. Yes, you might all think what might be the reason. Some might think the politics, some might think it might be something related to the technology, but nothing like that. The only reason, or one of the reason that why India is still being developing country is the differences between men and women in many places. Yes, what you heard is definitely right. The differences between men and women is a major reason for India being still a developing country. We hear that men are always stronger to women, but it's not true. Now let us compare how women are strong or weak to men, isn't it? See, when woman is giving birth to a child, she almost bears a pain of crushing 200 bones at a time. Do you think women are still weak? No, I don't think so. Women have a monthly cycle which is more painful every month, but even though they never stop doing their work, they are very much strong physically as well as mentally when they are committed towards their work. But still, we consider them as a weak. And women work at the home and the working place by managing two different types of situations, but they never show out. But even we consider women as weak. Now, I don't say men are too strong, even men and women are equal over here. Men can handle many situations which women can't, and women can handle many situations that men can't. So why is this differences? Why is this differences? Do you think this will benefit our country or our development? I don't think so. And even being a man is not that so easy. People say men can't cry, people can say men cannot express their feelings, but it's not like that. Everybody are equal over here. There is equal rights for each and every gender. Then why are we showing these differences? If we think women are weak, that is our foolishness, because women is a major reason for the further generation and further things. So where women and men are considered as an equal category, then only the country will be moving ahead. And moreover, the women must be given freedom to explore themselves, to develop themselves. And I feel pity on those feminists who will keep fighting for the women empowerment rather than saying that men and women are equal. People who use the feminist as a play card is very wrong from their side, and that way is affecting the other women in the society, and it is leading to many other different consequences that we can see. If we think men and women are equal, then we cannot see any of these feminists using this sort of feminine cards. Moreover, being a humans, we think that men and women are not equal, but being the god never shown that difference. You see, we compare the food, rice, study, and many other things with women and remaining things with men. Then, where God is only not showing any difference, then why are we showing the difference between men and women? Remember one thing, the building cannot be built without the foundation, and women is the foundation, and the pillars are men. If these both are not there, there is no society, there is no building. So, men and women with an equality can make this world much more better and wonderful, and this is what the creation of the God is. But we are not utilizing it. If we truly follow that men and women are equal, then definitely we can create many more differences in the society, and this society turns out to be into a different world, and it is almost equals to heaven then.